Hey guys, welcome back to Control Room. This is Marston. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to export your video in Davinci Resolve in the highest quality settings or best quality settings. Now here on the timeline, I have a tech gadget review I was working on my other channel. Now I'm ready to export or deliver it. So I want to come to the Deliver tab. Just click on it. Now this is meant for YouTube. Depending on the platform where you want to export to, there are different options which you can choose here. If I've just scrolled this, there's TikTok, all the options. You can export masters, whatever it is that you want to export, but it's for YouTube. So I'm just gonna click on this YouTube thumbnail here, so that the preset that I'm working with is already has the best quality settings for YouTube, or it's already when the video is exporting, it will be encoded into a format that is suitable for YouTube. Now I'm going to give it a title. Let me just call this S21 review, right? S21 review. Choose a location. Now the resolution that I edited in was 1080, but I want to export in 4K. So I'm just going to click this drop down and come where it says 3840 by 2160 Ultra HD, and then a format. Since we chose this the YouTube preset, it gives us two options: MP4 or QuickTime. If I hadn't done that, I'll see a lot of more options here, but I'm just going to go with MP4. You can choose whichever one you want. Doesn't matter that much. Now I want to also edit the bitrate, which is the one that affects the quality. So I'm just going to leave this tab and come to where it says custom export here. As you can see, 3840 by 2160. Now I want to come here where it says quality and make sure that automatic is not ticked, but I want to restrict it to and change the bitrate here. Now it's recommended by YouTube that the best quality settings are between 35 to 45 megabits, which is what I want to change this to. So far it's on 10 megabits. If you're working with a very big project, you'd want to avoid maybe making the bitrate too high, because the file will be too large even for you to upload it. But if you have very good internet, you can go as much as you want. Now for this video sake, I'm just going to put this on 45,000, right, which is 45 megabits, right? And the encoding profile, I'm just going to leave it on high. And here where it says preset, I want to make sure that it's quality, and when I do that, I add that to the render queue. Let's just replace, I add that to the render queue and export my video, and this should give you the highest quality settings in Davinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.